Hi, this is Jaswin Valia from Team Learn Today, and today we're going to talk about how you can set your own custom theme for your WordPress website. So, why are custom themes important? Custom themes make it easy for you to change the look and feel of your website. They allow you to use different typography, change the layout, add or remove elements, and make your website seem less or more formal. There are four kinds of popular WordPress themes that are widely used. Astra is a theme that comes with pre-designed demos, which makes it easy for you to get started in minutes. Divi is a multi-purpose theme with a drag and drop builder. OceanWP is a free and customizable theme, which is great for beginners. And Generatepress is a lightweight theme for WordPress that focuses on speed, stability, and accessibility. So without further ado, let's get into the video and look at the procedures on how you can set your own custom theme for your WordPress website. So you will find the procedures there in the document that we have provided for you on how you can set up your own customized theme for your WordPress website. So as you can see, the first procedure is just to log into our WordPress dashboard. So what I will do is I will just copy this particular website address right here and paste it over here. Instead of your website name, I will write justwinvalia.com, which is my website name. As soon as we do that, we will be redirected to our WordPress dashboard. And this is our left sidebar. So if I just look at appearances and hover my cursor over here, I will find themes, customize widgets, menus. We just want to go to themes because we want to change our WordPress theme, right? So as you can see, there is already a pre-installed theme in my WordPress website, which is set by default. And if you look over here, it's kind of dull and I really don't want to go with it, right? So what I will do is I will just go to add new right here besides themes. As soon as I do that, I will be redirected to multiple themes that I can see right here. And whatever you like, you can go ahead and look at the preview as well. So for example, I want to go with Astra because I like how it feels, right? It's a very customizable theme and I want to customize my WordPress website. So what I will do is I will just hit on live preview. And as you can see, I get a live preview on how my WordPress website might look like if I install this particular theme. So I'm just going to hit on activate and publish. You might get an option called as install and then activate. So you can go ahead and do that. As you can see, my Astra theme is now published. So let's go back to my WordPress theme and hit on refresh. And voila, this is how you set your own customizable WordPress theme for your website. Hey guys, thanks for watching. In our next SOP, we are going to learn how you can install a plugin on your WordPress website. So stay tuned for that and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for our Learn Today channel along with the notification bell so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Justin Valia and I will see you in our next SOP.